Good morning, first graders. Here we are for day 2. What are we working on today? Let's take a look. Our I can statements are, I can read a decodable text. That would be a text that should have words that are within our reach to be able to sound out and decode. So make sure you give that a good try, my friends. I know it's tempting to just press play and listen to the text, but I really want you to give it a good try to read the words yourself. Because as you are reading that decodable text, you're also going to be practicing reading Esplin words. That's a great thing to do because it's going to help us learn those words. I can make a connection between words in a text and real life. We're going to be talking about that. And I can practice retelling events in order. We kind of worked on that yesterday, didn't we? Today, it gives us a chance to practice that skill. It should be a lot of fun. Let's get started.